7,000 light-years from Earth, in the constellation Aquila, lies one of the universe's most magnificent stellar nurseries. The Eagle Nebula. A vast cloud of hydrogen and helium stretching 100 light-years across. Within these purple cosmic cathedrals, gravity pulls matter together, compressing gas and dust until new stars ignite. This is where suns are born. This is where planetary systems begin their journey. Welcome to the birthplace of worlds. Around each newborn star, a disk of leftover material spins. The protoplanetary disk. Trillions upon trillions of dust particles and ice grains orbiting in a flat plane. Over millions of years, these particles stick together through static electricity and gentle collisions. Pebbles become boulders. Boulders become planetesimals. This is planetary formation in its earliest stages. The cosmic assembly of worlds, one particle at a time.
This is how a planet is born, through the slow but process of accretion.
In the outer regions of the disk, far from the star's heat, something massive is forming. A gas giant. 10 times, 100 times, 300 times the mass of Earth. Its gravity carves a gap in the disk, clearing its orbital path. It pulls in hydrogen and helium by the Jupiter mass. Within a few million years, it will dominate its solar system, a planetary colossus born from cosmic dust. The most massive stars don't just shine. They blow. Stellar wind streaming outward at millions of miles per hour, particles moving at a significant fraction of light speed. These winds sculpt the nebula like cosmic sandblasters, eroding some regions while compressing others. The compression triggers the next generation of star formation. Each massive star becomes a catalyst, its powerful wind seeding the birth of dozens, hundreds of new suns. Creation through destruction. The cosmic cycle continues.
As the cloud collapses, gravity takes hold, forcing the material inward.
At the core of the collapsing cloud, temperature rises. 10,000 degrees. 100,000. 1 million. 10 million. Pressure mounting to billions of times Earth's atmosphere. And then, threshold. Hydrogen nuclei slam together with enough force to overcome electromagnetic repulsion. Fusion ignites. A star is born. Light that will shine for billions of years erupts for the first time. The darkness retreats. A new sun announces itself to the universe.
As the cosmic mist parts, the sheer power of the forming star becomes blind.
Not all the material falls into the forming star. Some is ejected. Bipolar jets. Streams of superheated gas and plasma shooting from the star's poles at thousands of kilometers per second. These jets can stretch for light years, cosmic fire hoses spraying energy into the nebula. Where they impact the surrounding clouds, shock waves compress the gas. New stars begin to form. The stellar birth process becomes self-perpetuating, each generation triggering the next. Not too close to the star, where temperatures would boil away any atmosphere. Not too far, where everything would freeze solid. The habitable zone. And here, orbiting in that perfect region, a world. Rocky surface. Liquid water oceans covering 70% of the planet. An atmosphere of nitrogen and oxygen. This world formed from the same cosmic dust as its star, assembled over millions of years from trillions of collisions. Now it orbits peacefully, bathed in golden light. A place where, perhaps someday, life might emerge. Another Earth, born in the stellar nursery. The pillars of creation still stand, cosmic monuments to the eternal process of stellar birth. But they won't stand forever. Already, stellar winds from the massive stars are eroding them, breaking down the columns that have stood for thousands of years. Eventually, the pillars will disperse completely. The nebula will clear. What remains will be a glittering cluster of stars, each with their own family of planets. And in the distant future, when some of these stars die, their remnants will seed new nebulae. The cycle continues. Stars die. Nebulae form. New stars ignite. Planets coalesce. And perhaps, somewhere in all that cosmic dance, life awakens to wonder at the universe that created it. We are all stardust. We are all children of the stellar nurseries.